skewed in there.
Alright, so we've just taken the head off, and yeah, seeing the third piston, yeah.
Gee, gone burgers. Just interesting.
That's rough. Time to go forged?
Yeah, it was kind of cool.
Yeah, well.
I'm sort of hoping that the other ones should be alright. So, in theory, I can just do
A rebuild on a
just
piston?
the one. In theory, if everything else looks alright.
Yep. Not happy days. Do you reckon take the sump off and clean that as well then? Will that be another thing to do?
Probably need to take this whole setup out like what we did last time. Leave the gearbox and pull everything out.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's melted good.
Yeah. Worst possible scenario. Is there much scoring on the
ore? Yep.
That's rough.
Sandpaper.
Yeah, that's rough.
All good.
So it's another deal to the machine shop, or would you just do that yourself with a?
No, you can't do that. Because that'd be too far gone. It's like taking all the coating off the side of the wall.
Right.
Or it's melted something against the wall, either or.
So, consensus on what's happening. Or what has happened. Piston is broken. Very much broken, if it will focus there. But all the others are fine. Well, we think so far. This one also seems to be skewed, so it's rotated in comparison somehow. There was also a spark plug which had, it's over there, yeah, which had sheared off.
Missing its tip.
Yeah, so.
Yeah, and the tip of that's been bouncing around.
And then it's also
damaged the head.
Yeah.
The head might be alright, but the bore doesn't look too good.
Yeah, the bore's got scuff marks all down there, down it. You can nearly see it looks almost galvanised, sort of thing, bubbly and
Yeah, it's all
not how it should be.
scaled. Which
If you had a microphone and ran your finger across that,
you'd hear it.
you could hear the
Which it might be just like aluminium, like from the piston melted against the side. And it could be that it's fine, but it could also be that it's more likely that it's actually just scoured the bore.
Yep.
Which I'm hoping for the first, because then they can just tickle it up and it'll be fine. But if it's a second, I need a new block.
Need a new
I need
block.
to get oversized pistons.
Oversized pistons
means,
and reboring.
Sponsor me.
Please.
Yeah, because I got no money.
Yeah.
Because then up there, go all new pistons. I can't just do one.
Yeah.
And then I need to machine it out, and it all costs money.
Lots of money.
New rings.
Yeah. It'd be worth doing. Do you reckon it'd be worth doing research though? Let's see, what do you reckon a new block would and new pistons would be similar price to?
I'll find a block for $100 if that.
Okay.
Enough of those hanging around. Just a common 4H 60mm block.
So if anyone wants to donate one of those as well, that'd be sick.
Yeah, you can donate one then. Yeah, pistons. I think I paid. Yeah,
For genuine.
You can get genuine oversized ones, so I think they're like $350 or something for a full set.
For a full set, that's
Not too bad.
not too
Rings
shabby.
are like 110 for a full set. Machine work, I'm not sure. Machine work could be a couple $100 more just to pour it out.
Right. So if, so if 350, 110, it's $400. Then another probably like $200-300 for machine work. It's gonna be an expensive dyno trip.
Yeah. Don't make the dyno not fun.
Yeah.
But yeah, it went good till it went boom.
Yeah. What was a
190 kilowatt?
190 kilowatt.
$7,000. And it was still climbing actually as well. So with those cams, it, I don't know, it might make power 8. Might make power further.
Far up.
But 7 is where it went pop. But yeah. I don't know. Well, everything seemed safe when I was looking at the tune. I looked at the data logs and they're all
safe.
It's all super safe ignition. I think it's only like 8 degrees of timing.
Yeah.
Which on these at 17 pound is bugger all.
Right.
So why it did what it did.
So it's been a product malfunction that's probably caused something like this.
Yeah, or injector failed, or the spark plug failed, or the coil pack failed.
Something's failed.
$7,000, it's just anything's going to go boom.
Yeah, right.
But yeah, something's gone wrong.
Right.
Which I could, I suppose, it's probably actually good with the injectors to get them like flow tested and made sure that they're actually all equal, because if one of them's a bit out, it could be lean in one cylinder. I never know.
Right.
Yeah, so I'll probably do that before it all goes back together one day. But yeah, I think now it's just a matter of taking it all out and pulling the sump off, pull the rods out, pull the pistons out, and clean the block up, and take the block to the machine shop, see what they say. The next course of action.
Yep.
If they say it's fine, then order a piston and slap it all back together. If they say it's cracked, then you find a new block and wait, because I have to make money.
Yep.
That'd be about it.
Yep. Yeah. Yesterday as well, the day that they were at the dyno, it was, I think, hottest day we've had in Hawke's Bay for a long time. It was like 36 degrees.
Yeah, my phone at times actually said 33.
Yes. Pretty warm conditions.
It well, and considering it was only like intake temps were 50 something, and the coolant temp was always like 80 something. It skyrockets up, got to like 100 when you're doing like a super heavy pull. As soon as you're off the gas, it comes right back down again.
Right.
But also thinking, guys on the dyno also thinking maybe we're running it a bit hard, not letting enough sort of road out. I suppose it was holding it for quite a while. I think the run ended up being like 15 seconds long.
Right.
It was maybe not ideal. Should maybe just let it run a bit freer. But they don't really know what to expect, because it's the first time they've run up a petrol turbo car. They're of course used to diesels, which don't rev so far as well. But it shouldn't have
mattered, really.
It shouldn't have mattered, no. We should just be able to sit there on that much load and take it.
Yeah. I mean, this tune, because it hadn't even been tuned, like you hadn't changed the tune when you'd been at, so it's how it's been for the past, I don't know, year or so.
Yeah.
Well, at least a year.
It's been drags, it's been track days.
Drift track.
It's never failed that way.
Yeah.
And yes, it's super conservative, like the timing. I've looked at other people that have same setups, and they have like nearly 4 more degrees of timing over the board than me, or more. And the fueling was fat as, it was like 11.5 if not more, which is like fat as well. So it's definitely fuel, there's definitely minimal spark. So while it went boom, yeah, I don't know, it's a bit at a loss.
Oh well. Right, so update time. Took the engine out, went for a bit of a swim, just been chilling really. Engine's just chilling. About to take it apart, I guess.
Just drop everything out of it.
Yep.
Piston and just check everything. But yeah, the main one is just getting that blocks separated from everything so I can take it to a machinist and see what they say.
Time to ugga-dug things.
Everything.
Oh, hey, Shubs. Every workshop has to have a workshop dog, right?
Yeah. And the white ones are real good. Runs under the
use them as rags.
Yeah, it runs under the cave. It's filthy.
Right, so now to begin the time lapse of taking everything apart. Update time. Sump's off, and there are bits in here.
Chunks of all sorts. Oh, mate, look at this.
Oof.
The metal filings.
Let me see if I can focus on that. Not the goods.
Not cool. Metal flakes for days. Yeah. Take oil pickup off and then carry on. Spark plug. Maybe. It's like quite a tip type thing.
Yeah.
Could actually be the spark plug tip being smashed flat.
Sure.
So that's just like just straight metal paste.
Yeah, Shubs, same. It's about the same.